Hi guys, this is Jeremy Neff from Permanent Acres, and here I got Saberforge Adept. So it's got the centering support for thin wall blades, as they say, but you can still fit a thick wall blade right into the slot. This is a thick wall blade stock right there, slides right through it. The catch is you gotta make sure that your diffusing material is trimmed back enough that your blade can slide in all the way. And then your set screw right there is in the back. This lower set screw is for your LED module. So this is mainly, the way it's set up right here is mainly for quad cree installs, because the way the neck is set up, it would block out the lighting off of a tri-cree. So the LED module would just slide right in here all the way down, seated right there, and then this would screw it down into place. Customer originally was thinking about going neopixel. Customer decided not to go that route, to go quad cree, rather than me having to take this apart and mill this down to be able to put in a short pin PCB. So then this screws right into here, like that. And then here is where the primary switch is located, and then they got a magnetic cover for this box, and this is set up for a recharge port. So if you're looking to recharge your Saber, you just pop this back up like that, plug it up to a 2.1 millimeter recharge port, and go from there. Then the bottom pommel right here unscrews, and then has a pretty good recess in there, and then have the room for your chassis to go in. Alright, making some progress on this Adept hilt. I already got the LED module in place on here with the resistors and everything, and this one's a quad cree. It lights up through the center piece there. I got the wires run here. This is the wiring for the switch. That way it's got its negative, its positive lead, and then the switch return. And then I got right now 2 positives and the 2 negative leads. I'm going to have a third positive lead coming from the recharge port going directly to the LED module on there. So all these reds will be all connected. Don't have a whole lot more to go as far as wiring wise. Then I got to clean up all the fingerprints off the hilt. And right here I got an Adept hilt that I've been working on for a customer here. This is a single momentary setup. The soundboard is a CFX. Show you what's on here. So with a single button setup on here, just have to hold this down until it goes into the sound font menu.
Sound bank selection.
So got revolt, shatter point. So if I hold this down, it goes right into the Mace Windu shatter point font. Got a nice purple. And with the one button setup, it's harder to get into the lockup because you gotta hit it right. You just have to hit it right on an impact and hit the button at the same time in order to get a lockup with the one button setup. But
sound bank selection.
Crystal focus.
So this is the second crystal focus font that's on here. This one is the crystal focus reboot. The original crystal focus is down at the beginning of it. Same with Nebula. They have a Nebula traditional and Nebula reboot.
Youngling.
And here's Youngling. It's a little bit different hearing this with the Smooth Swing now that they have upgraded their sound font package to all Smooth Swing fonts.
selection. Membrane.
Nebula. Where's Francis?
So this one's got dead meat on it, which is a version of gray meat that just has dead full font on it. So
Right up Main Street. Oh God, I'm so sorry. Spider monkey. That, in my opinion, the movie Cocoon is pure pornography.
So next one is negotiator.
Sound bank selection.
Where's Francis? This is General Kenobi.
So the next one is the audio player. So this is where all your tracks play through. So hold that down.
Goodness, you're not one to trifle with, are you?
So to change fonts, you just hold down the button until you get the second beep.
Sound bank selection.
This is General Kenobi.
Audio player.
SD card system and exit menu.
Nightfall.
So got first font on here is Nightfall,
Crystal focus.
Crystal Focus, Shoto, Nebula, Schrödinger Cat, Gray Meat, Hoth, Revolt, Shatterpoint,
Crystal focus.
Membrane.
Nebula. This is General Kenobi.
This is not the standard order that CFX has on their soundboards. I mixed it up because whenever we downloaded the new font package, it had both the Crystal Focus fonts right next to each other and both of the Nebula fonts right next to each other. So this way, the traditional Nebula and CFX fonts are like right towards the beginning, and then the reboot versions are later on the board.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, then please press the like button.
And if you like what you've been watching, please hit the subscribe button.
To see our latest video, click on the link to the right.
Thank you again. Later.